Another day and another coffee shop here in Bangalore. Welcome to Beanlore, which I just realized is a combination between Bean and Bangalore, I guess. This place is awesome. It's a little bit small in terms of the ground floor, but it has call booths. Not many coffee shops in the world have call booths. If I looked everywhere in Toronto, I found one. This is what I love about Bangalore. Everybody's working. But not just the fact that everybody's working, the fact that I can work anywhere. If I have to do a call, I don't have to commute 1 hour to sit at a desk. I can call in the cab, or I can call in a coffee shop, or it's absolutely awesome. Anyway, this place is pretty cool. It's got a very open concept layout. I rented this call booth, which reminds me of the inside of a first-class cabin on a train. But if you actually just turn this around, it's just the rest of the coffee shop is out there. Everybody's doing their thing. So, how much did this cost me? Well, for the fine price of 524 rupees, I was able to get this call booth for an hour, and now it comes with a complimentary drink and it comes with a complimentary cookie, which is pretty cool. The drink's going to be between 180 to 220, or maybe 120 if it's a good price. So 524, I'm having a drink, I'm having a cookie, and I'm getting the room for an hour. It is pretty soundproof. It comes with some nice pillows. It also comes with these power outlets in the corner. Take a look. We got some power outlets here. And also in the desk we do have places for USB 2.0 and a USB-C. Whoa, it's working, look at that. So midway filming the video, I just realized that was a wireless charger. The whole day yesterday I was trying to plug my phone into it and it wasn't working. So it was absolutely amazing. So this is Beanlore. It's very high on my list. This would probably be my first or second place to work because I'm able to actually take meetings in here, which is an absolute game changer. You can use this as a co-working space. So those of you looking for a coffee shop in Bangalore, do visit Beanlore. It's located in HSR layout. Lots of entrepreneurs, people who know what they're doing, are here. Very cool. Come check it out. My name's Nader. If you like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.